There is an election around the corner in these states. That's Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam, and Pondicherry. That's happening in the last week of April 2026. So, apart from the voter ID, you can download the voter information. The voter information is now being indicated, so you can download them and keep it handy. The reason I'm saying is that you need to know the polling booth, the serial number, etc. Generally, the voter information slip or the voter slip is generally given in advance, 3 days before the actual polling happens. They provide you with a voter slip if you are eligible to vote. That indicates which polling booth you've been assigned, your serial number. So again, that becomes quite handy when you go to the polling booth, hand it over to the agent, and then they verify and give you the voting rights. But online itself you can download. So these are the sequence of steps through which you can download the voter information. So these are the states which is going to go into the polls. That's Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, Assam, and Pondicherry, and all is held in the April month of April. The first starting with Kerala. So all of them, whoever is eligible to vote, you can download the voter slip. The first is get into the site voters.eci.gov.in. This is the website. Get into the browser, go into that website, and once the website opens, search for your name in the voter list. Once you do that, you can search by, if your mobile is registered, you can search by mobile, providing the details. And the easiest one and the first one is through your voter ID, that is electoral card. If you have that, you have the number. You provide the number, you type in which state you belong, you give the captcha code, and then do a search. So once you do a search, you give that, it provides you with the result and gives you all the details to which constituency. In my case, it is in Chennai. So it provides you with the details, and you have a view detail button over here, view detail. So if you click on that view details, then it provides you with all the information. In fact, it gives you the name, what is the polling station, you have the part number, and finally when is the part serial number. All these are provided. You have the polling date as well. So this you can print and keep it handy. You can have it as PDF, you can have it um, you can print it out as well. Generally, as I said, you will get the voter slip 3 or 4 days prior to polling. Otherwise, you can, for your own verification, to know where is the polling booth is located, you can always do this. It's just a few minutes job, so you can always check that and keep it handy as well. I hope you found this information useful as well. Thanks and cheers.